So these are my earnings from the last week, guys, with the help of these websites. And you can do the same thing if you just choose a website for yourself, stick to it, invest your time, and then, guys, trust me, you'll be profitable. So hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. The first website that I want you to go on is prolific.co. You can get a lot of money here, and I really mean it, guys. A lot of money is in here. You just have to invest your time. You have to do these like surveys on Prolific, and these here are very profitable, guys. You will earn money, not points. You have a lot of people from around the world, and of course these all websites that I'm about to show you will work all around the world. So you can live in Africa, in Asia, in Australia, guys. Wherever you want to live, you will get that money. And there's gonna be a lot of money today. So when you go on prolific.co, I want you to click here on participants. Okay, so participants is what you need here. You can see here, earn money for sharing your unique experiences today. You can see here that you can earn a lot, and it is gonna be very easy, guys. You just have to click on this button, get started, complete some simple information about yourself. You will take studies, of course. You will earn that cash, and these guys will give you a lot of money for it. It is easy, it is profitable, so go ahead and try this one out. And one thing more, which is very quick, you can go to SurveyMonkey and use these academic surveys. Okay, these are really easy surveys, but these are not paying that much money. Okay, so SurveyMonkey academic surveys, you can do them if you have some spare time, but of course this is not so profitable. Now I'm going to show you some websites which are way more profitable, and you can get a lot of money with them if you stick to them. So firstly, I want to show you Kumi.com, and this is where the magic happens, guys. There is a lot of money here. You can get a lot of cash by completing these surveys, of course, anywhere in the world. And you can see that Kumi has almost 4,000 reviews on Trustpilot. They have 4.4 out of 5, and that's pretty good rating. All these people on Trustpilot give crazy good reviews, guys. People really love Kumi.com, and why wouldn't they? They just get a lot of money with it. No hassle, just some free quick money. So there's a lot of reason for these guys to be satisfied. Surveys, cashbacks, deals, a lot of opportunity, and you can take surveys while you commute. You can earn during your downtime. You can earn while you study. It's way profitable, and all you'll need is a verified PayPal address for yourself. You can see here that you can get it on the App Store and on Google Play. Apps are really good. Just take a look at Google Play app, 1 million downloads, guys. This speaks for itself, and just take a look at this, 4.3, guys. That's a very good rating. App here is really good, and you can just lay it down on your couch, pull out your phone, and start doing these while you're laying in bed, guys. Just imagine you lay in bed and the money is constantly coming to you, guys. You just scroll with your fingers and the money is coming right away. Of course, if you use iOS device, you can get it on the App Store. Kumi takes surveys for rewards, and just take a look at this, guys. 4.6 out of 5. That's a really good rating. App here is also very nice looking as well, so you will have a nice time. All that you have to do is to just join here, log in with your account, and start getting that money. Of course, hit that subscribe button if you like our channel. Show us some love. Thank you. The next website on the list is called clickworker.com, and this is like micro tasks website which can be done from anywhere in the world. You have a lot of these tasks to be completed, and you can just get a lot of money by doing them. You can get it on your phone as well, and there are a lot of users. Just take a look at how many of these click workers are, guys. A lot of people, a lot of money as well for you, and you can be really profitable if you just register as a click worker. Complete these steps here, complete some simple information about yourself. That's gonna be easy. Let's not waste time on it, and then you can become just like these people here are. A lot of money, guys, is waiting for you on this website as well, which is called swagbucks.com. And swagbucks.com, just take a look at these ratings. 28,000, guys. This is really cool, and you can get a lot of money here, guys. Just take a look at this, 4.3 out of 5. People are in love with swagbucks.com, guys. They are really the best. A lot of reviews, a lot of good comments here. People got a lot of money, and you can do that as well if you just apply yourself. On Swagbucks, you can do various things. You have some surveys, you have some watching videos offers. You can do whatever you want on this site. Whichever niche is interesting to you, you can just go and do that, okay? You can just go and surf the web as well, and you can get a lot of these gift cards if you like that, but you can of course get that PayPal cash, whatever you want, guys. The money is yours. Swagbucks is really good, trust me. You get a lot of these points, which you later convert to PayPal cash, and you can see that you can shop online, you can play some video games, you can search the web, answer surveys, and find great deals to get those points. So all that you have to do is you have to sign up here with your email address. That's it. And then you can just proceed to make that money. Now, there is also this website which is called prizerebel.com, and there is a lot of money on this website as well. You will just sign up, earn, and you will redeem those points. Prize Rebel on Trustpilot, you can see it speaks for itself. 3.9. A lot of satisfied people here as well, and you can do various stuff. What I like about this website is that they're pretty old. They're established in 2007, and this speaks for itself. Just take a look at the number of users, guys. They all get their money, guys, so involve yourself with this one. It is a good one. Now, there is one more interesting one, which is called dscout.com, and this is research, guys. Also, there are a lot of those surveys, but these surveys are like research based, okay? So certain people are going to come here and they want to know your opinion about all of these topics, okay? So this is not like brands or some consumer companies or some, I don't know, commercial websites. No, this is real research, okay? So people are doing research. Researchers are gathering on this website, so you can get money for real research on this platform. Dscout has a lot of money to share. You can see all of these jobs which they have here, and all that you have to do once you log in inside, you can just click on participate in research studies. Now you can see here that questions are going to be like this. So how confident are you in your ability to use a French press to prepare coffee? That's how these people are conducting these researches, okay? It's nothing hard. You can just get these apps on App Store and on Google Play, and that's how you start with it. A lot of money here as well, as you can see right here. Just download this, whichever device you are using, and then you will just complete fun missions, share your perspective, and of course, profit out of it. There are some reasons here, some people, some testimonials, which you can take a look at. But what I suggest, guys, I suggest that you just go and involve yourself, okay? So these are really, really good research. Just take a look at this. You can just get $2 for 1 minute, guys. 1 minute of this survey, and you get $2 for it. So go involve yourself, guys, and I will catch you later.